What's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make this cute and simple YouTube intro. So let's get started. The first thing first we're going to do is head into Canva and you're going to type in YouTube intro. After you type that in, you have a whole lot of templates that you can custom templates that you can use, but we are not using any of those. We are creating our own. You're going to click on create blank, and they have so many background photos that you can use, but I'm using color, and the color we're using is a lighter version of the purple, and we're going to get that. After getting that, we're going to add our text, and the text we're using is add a subheading. And after we click on that, we are going to type our name. I'm using my name as an example to create this. And after typing in my name, I'm going to size it up. I'm going to look for my font, and the font I'm using is called Borsock or Barsock. I'm not going to even try. And we are going to add a color to it, and the color we're using is white. And after we choose our color, we are going to add an effect, and the effect we're using is Splice. And to add a backdrop to it, we're using a hot pink. We are going to grab the thickness, drop down the offset, and the direction we are going to carry to 5. And yeah, that's about that for the text. And after we do that, we are going to add a animation or animate to it, and the animate we're using is typewriter. After we do that, we're going to add a page. I was going to use a transition for the page, but I didn't end up choosing that. I end up taking out the transition for the page because it wasn't working on the way how I wanted. But we are going to add my photo. We are going to add the picture twice, and then we are going to size it up. We're going to duplicate it after, and then after we are going to add a animate to it, and the animate that we use is called baseline because we want the picture to like pop up, like rise from the bottom. If you get what I'm trying to say. I'm not even going to try so hard to explain. But yes, we're going to add the baseline to both of the picture, as you can see. So yeah, we are going to add another page, another blank page, and on that page we're going to add our social. So I'm going to add my text, and I'm going to write stay connected. And after we write stay connected, I'm going to size it up and add my font. And the font that I use, it was called Bright Stan or something like that. And we're going to add a pink color to that, and we're going to use the neon effect, and we're going to cry up that neon effect because we really need that glimpse to it. But before we do that, we add our social handles, and I'm going to add my Instagram and my TikTok handle to that, and I'm going to size it up after. Yeah, sorry guys if this is going outline because I kind of like do my video and then I add my voiceover. Okay, I did add a picture of my Instagram on the back, and then we are going to carry down the transparency on it. But first we add a element to it, which is a square, and that square we are going to change it to a lighter version of the purple that we had on the background, and we're going to carry down that transparency as well. Yep. Sorry if I'm going too fast or out of line, but please bear with me. So yeah, we are going to size up our social, our name for our social, and then we are going to add our icon, our social media icons. I download these from the Safari and from Pixar. Yep. We are going to size it to fit to our liking, and then we are then going to change the font of our social. And the font that we use, it was Black Mango. Sorry. Yes, the font we use is called Black Mango. And then after, we are going to change the color to white. Our social media handles, we're going to change the color to white, as you can see. And then we are going to add another page to that, and on that page we are going to have a description of what we are going to be doing on the channel. But first, I add my TikTok video to the background. So then we're going to add a square element, and we're going to change that color as well. We change that color to the lighter version of the pink. And then we're going to carry down the transparency. Yeah. And then I'm going to add a picture of myself. I removed the background using background remover. So here I am picking my picture, and I'm going to size it up to my liking. And after I size that up, I'm then going to go ahead and add my text, which is fashion, lifestyle, and vlog. So yeah, I'm going to size it up, duplicate that, and then I'm going to add lifestyle. And then when I finish typing my lifestyle, I'm going to duplicate that and then erase that and add vlog, my vlog text. As you can see, yeah guys, and then we are going to size it up and fix it how we want. So now we are going to change the font, and the font we are using is BD Sans. As you can see, I'm switching it around, moving it to how I feel, as though how I want it. And I'm going to add that font to all three of the wording. And then I'm going to go ahead and change the color of it. Yeah, and we're going to use the lighter version purple, the lighter version pink, and the deeper version of the pink. And then we're going to change the effect, and the effect that we're using is the neon effect and all of it. And we are going to we're going to use the neon effect on all three of the wordings. And yeah, we're going to carry up the intensity, because we want it to show like real good. And yeah, I'm checking, and for the seconds we use is 3.5, and I'm going to apply that to all 4 of the pages just to make it a bit short, because it was at 5. So yeah, and here I am checking through, make sure everything is good. And yeah, and here I am now adding my animate effects. And yeah, that's about that. I'm going to go through all of it to make sure all of it have a animate effect to it, because it's a YouTube intro and it have to get an effect to it. So that's what I'm doing here, switching it around to see what works for me and what I like. As you can see here, I already found the animate effect I'm using for this, and this looks so good. So yeah, here I am checking out the video to see how it looks, and after doing that, we're then going to go ahead and save that video. It looks so good. We're going to save all 4 pages as MP4, and yeah, it's saving, guys. So thank you for staying tuned, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you.